Hey everybody, it's Lynn from A Bit of Birdsong. I have started a new journal and I'm going to be working on this one for a while. I thought I would share the whole process. This is the very first video and the very first page, which is not even completed for this video. The page is done now, but it wasn't during this video. So I will take you with me through the whole journal, how I bind it. I expect this to be bound like I love to do them, with the cloth strips and sewing in 2 pages at a time. I think it'll be a really fun journal. It is called Poetic Rust. There will be a lot of rusty elements and a lot of grunge, a lot of maybe new things that I haven't tried before. So I hope you will join me, and thank you so much for being here. I am having fun at my desk this morning out in the workshop, and it feels so good to be getting some energy back. I apologize again for just being so slow. It's like I can't think, and I know many of you understand that. I've heard from some of you, and I think it's because our schedules are they've just disappeared. Anyway, it feels good to be getting back. I've got a mess here right now because I carried some things into the the living room area where we eat on the TV trays. And I had one TV tray with food and one with art supplies. So I had fun playing with some supplies last night. And I did make a page for a new journal I'm working on. This is a glossy image, so hopefully you can see that okay. What do I want to do? I kind of want to make another page this morning because I want to make a journal. Thankfully, I'm back in the mood for that. Let's slide all this over that way. We won't even worry about the mess. I have some Anna Griffin die cuts that I purchased, and I love that they come with these little stickers here to attach them and make them stand up a bit off of the page. Let's see, how many of each? Oh, aren't they beautiful? Let's just go through and see. I think there are some of them, there are multiples. So 3 pages of this. Oh, look at the little animals. 3 pages of that. And 3 of that. Oh, look at that. I used one of those butterflies for the current page. For the page I just made. There it is. I love these old index cards. Anything with this color, that yellow sort of. Yeah, I love that. So I've got to organize even more. She says, I call my dog Spot. He is black and white. He is a good dog. He likes sweet milk. It says poetical works here. And then right across here it says, I do not write poetry. And she's got the B on her forehead. I'm not done with this page yet. Something I noticed, and this ink is the Distress ink, Tim Holtz. I think that was Orange Marmalade or something. But with this very, very old paper. So this is one of those old book pages from 1848. Once you get the ink on the page, it's not going to run with water. I mean, I just found it to be, it immediately soaks it up. So I would rather have something that will let me run the ink around a little bit. This old paper like that feels so different from new standard paper. I know you can buy all different kinds. There's a little bit more work to be done on that page though. Love this. Paint brushes. Oh, look at that. 2 of those. Okay, maybe we're getting, maybe someone used a sheet out of that. I bought that used.
Yeah, maybe somebody used one of the sheets with the bottles. I wish there was more African American ephemera, honestly. Aren't these beautiful? Look at all of those patterns. And it does seem like maybe there should have been 3 sheets of everything. And some only have 2, so I'm thinking maybe just a couple of sheets had been used from this pack, or a few sheets. Wow, look at that. There were just 2 of those. And okay. Or did we already see? Oh no, there are just a couple that are out of place. Wow. It's a beautiful set. We got in quite a few Anna Griffin things. And of course, they were priced a little higher than some of the things we get because Anna Griffin is so expensive. It's beautiful, but it is a little pricey. So these were on the floor for the appropriate time before I said, well, if nobody else is going to buy them, I would love to have them. So let's get back to this page. Really just trying to figure out how I want to do this.